So everything that happens at the hatchery can oftentimes be magnified to the end product later on. So, what you put into it at the hatchery, you're going to get back out at the plant. So oftentimes hatchability and chick quality are highly correlated to uniformity and bird health later on. So oftentimes we're just concerned about what happens at the plant, but making sure we have good chicks at the hatchery will impact that. So specifically uniformity, a lot of our vaccines are being moved into the hatchery, and that's because they get a more even dose applied across the board, and then we're preventing those immunosuppressive diseases such as bursal disease, Marek's disease, that often result in condemnations or trimming or uniformity issues that can impact the product of the plant. So first of all, it starts with getting a good clean egg coming in and handling them well. A lot of people, when they get the embryo, it's at diapause, it's at a storage point, it can often be neglected. So making sure that our egg storage conditions are appropriate for good temperature, humidity, and then handling them carefully throughout the incubation process, and then putting in appropriate checks. So measuring moisture loss is one thing they could do, and then a breakout post-hatch to then go back and troubleshoot. And then of course during transfer and vaccination is a good time to look at how you're handling those eggs physically to ensure you're not cracking them. People think of hatchability and chick quality as two different things, and although they're measured at different points, a lot of the same factors impact them, and it all starts upstream. So right now we're seeing trends of egg pack and egg quality going down, so anything we could do nutritionally and management-wise to help those breeders have a good clean egg pack, that's going to help a lot. And then there's a lot of tools at our disposal that we should be gathering data for. So egg pack assessments, specific gravity testing, doing breakouts, and diagnosing our embryos during incubation are all things that can impact that, and then ensuring that you have a good sanitation program throughout the hatchery. So we're always trying to make sure that the vaccine program is best fitting the needs of that customer. So what vaccine is going to help them get their best results, what diseases are they challenged with, and how long are they growing those birds? So what type of production system are they in? So picking the right vaccine is the first thing, and then picking the best way to administer said vaccine. So at Zoetis, we're a huge proponent of in ovo vaccination, and we support that because it is the best route for most vaccines to be delivered. It's a single individualized dose, mass application, so you can apply a lot and save a lot of labor. But then each bird is getting the same efficacious dose throughout and an earlier onset of immunity. So Zoetis provides the device in a lease model, so we provide all the service to make sure that the equipment is delivering the vaccine to the right compartment in the embryo to generate an immune response, and it has an onboard sanitation system so you're not contaminating and providing carryover of those embryos. We offer environmental surveys, which essentially are testing the microbial challenge, both bacterial and fungal, in the hatchery to try to kind of see what kind of risk does that put into the system towards those chicks, and then where should you focus your sanitation to then have better hatchability and chick quality.